Hi, my name is Chris. Welcome to my channel. This time I'll show you the internal parts of a cheap car battery tester bought on Amazon, a very popular one. The bottom PCB side has nothing special other than the LCD screen and the buttons. On the top layer it has the input pads, a 4-point measurement setup with reverse and overcurrent protection. Here is the LCD 40-pin connector. The main processor is very interesting. Except for the first two letters, it has the same part number as the STM microelectronics microcontroller. It is most likely a reverse engineered part and will work with STM-Cube development software. It has a 8 MHz clock crystal and some Winbone flash memory. STM engineers are well aware of this part and they are not endorsing it. I think this tester can serve as a cheaper STM development board since you have some kind of programmer interface and a protected USB-C port. The analog input circuit is here, two LM358 double op-amps. Here is the power supply section, the main one a linear 8-volt regulator, followed by a 3.3 volt, also a linear one. The unit will need some 150 mA to work. Here is the power measurement section, a string of 5 2-ohm resistors for a total of 10 ohms switched by a power MOSFET. In my previous video, I stated the measurement time is in the order of microseconds for the full cranking up. I was very wrong. After measuring the voltage on this 10 ohm resistor, it takes more than a half second to measure and derive the cold cranking current by the 12-bit AD converter. So the current is just a tenth of the battery actual voltage. I think this kind of testers are very useful to test a dead battery, but will not predict as well as a classic tester the useful life. But they are very portable and much safer to use than the classic ones. Thanks for watching, please subscribe, see you next time.